Alright, time for a rundown. I know it's ugly right now, but got a 24 port patch panel, 48 port Cisco switch, Philips Hue bridge, Home Assistant on a Raspberry Pi, Lutron Caseta bridge, Pi hole running on a Raspberry Pi, all sitting on a 1U shelf, HiKVision NVR, Franken machine router for now, and the server that is not powered or networked yet. And then coming around the back, we have 8 outlet PDU running on an extension cord for right now. All my structured cabling, all the tan cables are cameras. Blue cables are network devices. White cable is actually network coming in off of my ONT. Because my ONT, my fiber cable, I don't think is going to be long enough to get down here into the basement. And then this 48 port patch panel is going to mount right up here. These are RJ45 couplers. These are my camera feeds coming in. These green cables go to my NVR. So once I'm done, these are going to come in like they do. I'm going to have little 6-inch, actually probably just going to reuse these. These are 1-footers, but I'm going to eventually get 6-inch cables that will just go from here to here, 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 etc. And then 2-foot cables are going to come out of the back of these couplers. That's going to be mounted here. So they're going to come out of the back of this coupler straight across and into these. If I look up here, they're going to come straight across and into the NVR. I'm a little annoyed. The NVR has all the network connections on the back. So I can't do like a normal patch panel setup. Like normally, it would just be like this little black one here comes out of a switch into a patch panel. I would love to do it out of the NVR into a switch or patch panel, but because they're all in the back, I can't really do that. So this is my workaround to keep my cabling neat once the rest of the stuff comes. So yeah, it's coming together. Oh, and then to power all of my little smart home devices, the Philips bridge, the Lutron bridge, etc. I have this handy little 8-port, you can't really see it, but this is a little 8-port USB. See if I can get some light on it. There, we can kind of see. A total of 7 USB-A and 1 USB-C ports. So all just sitting there on a nice little 1U shelf. That's going to get all cleaned up better. This is all my extra cabling. I gave like 15 or 20 feet of extra on almost all of the cables. So if I need to rearrange in the future, I don't have to run new cables. And I still have a bunch of tools laying down here. And I got a little whisker panel that I may or may not use somewhere. I haven't decided. But yeah. Oh, and then yeah, this is the back of the server. So network's going to come in here. ILO will go here. Redundant power supplies will go here. I also have a sine wave pure sine battery backup now that may or may not be any good. It was installed at Farmco, and whenever the power went out, the server would shut off instantly. I tested the battery backup with a space heater, and the space heater would keep running. So I know it's not completely shot, so it might just be, and the information panel said that it should get like 15 minutes of runtime with the server load, but yeah, with the server on it, it died instantly. So I need to just test the battery and stuff, make sure, find out if it's any good, find out if I can use it. If so, I'll put it in here. And then, yeah, this is a little bit further back of you. There's that MSA 70 that I may or may not populate sometime. It's a SAS SATA 2.5-inch. So honestly, cost per terabyte is hardly worth it. And then there's my boxes of network cable that I've been running. And these are the tails from when I pulled my camera cables down and cut them to length. So yeah, coming together bit by bit.